Hey there! So you and your sales team are finally onboarded on HubSpot and everybody has started working. But now you are running into a peculiar problem. You want to upload and share documents with your team on HubSpot. Is that even possible? Yes, that's absolutely possible, and in today's video we are going to tell you how to do the same. So guys, in order to upload and share documents inside HubSpot, you need to follow these simple steps. Firstly, in your HubSpot account, go to Sales, click on Sales, and then click on Documents. Once you have done this, click on Upload Document in order to drop a new document inside HubSpot. Now you can choose from your computer any existing file inside HubSpot, either from Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box. Maybe most probably I will try and upload something from my computer. So I upload this document. It's a huge document. It's being uploaded right now. It can be a PPTX file, XLSX file, a DocX file, or a PDF file. And these are the types of documents which are supported inside HubSpot. Now you can also share these documents with your contacts. In order to do so, just go to the document of your choice, click on Actions, click on Create Link, and here you can add the recipient email address where you want to share the document. So it will validate the email address, and then you click on Create Link, and they would be given the link from which they can access the document. So this is how you can create a shareable link for a document inside HubSpot. Now what happens is that once you have uploaded this document over here, HubSpot is tracking the number of views, and through the cookie that HubSpot sets in the browser of the person who opens the document via email, HubSpot is able to track and accurately tell you which people from your team have seen that particular document. So that's also something good. If you click on Actions and click on Manage Sharing for the document, you can also set different access level. For example, specific users or teams can see this document. Maybe it's a private document. Maybe everyone can see this document. So these are the kind of things that you can enable for a particular document inside HubSpot. You can also click on the preview button which shows up right next to the document name and click on it in order to preview the document that you have uploaded. So guys, this is how you can upload and manage documents inside HubSpot. So guys, I hope this video was informative enough and you learned something new today about HubSpot. In case you are still running into some issues, do let us know about them in the comment section below. Feel free to reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call, which can be accessed by the QR code on the screen in front of you, or you can click on the link in the pinned comment below, and I'll see you guys soon in the very next video.